wisdom yakhe yabo ne-inspiration yakhe abanginika yona yeah every day I can sacrifice a day langalele one just because ngimbona just one day it's fine.
Or God can take you just one day.
Just ngimbona la ukukhuluma naye
But you don't come. She doesn't come in your dreams.
She
comes.
every time ngicabanga she comes like
Okay. So what can you say to your friends now?
my friends.
Yeah.
Me to my friends ngingathi ngibonga that support like la my friends ambe so honest so ngibambile like so ngoba ama challenges it's been some couple of years but some years la my friends so loyal people ngiyabonga kuba loyal.
Shout out to them.
Ngiyabonga ukungisupporta, ngiyabonga unginspire ukuthi ngiqhubeke even though sometimes ibona sikendeka ngabo. So ngibonga lo singicela ngingapheli manje ngiqhubeke njalo. One day to reach that spot is si reach yabo. Nama nginikhohle. You know.
So in closing, a person, a young rapper who's out there, so naga fix, so la figure one, and so la what can you say to him or to her?
Ngasho ukuthi angaphela umoya spirits yeah spirit and
you're not a spirit lo muntu
siyaphela phela come on
and the spirit so not a son
oh